Now we will enable the joystick mode. You can see the LED is visible, and now it will home the machine. You can see now machine is homing. Means it's going to its initial position. This is the touch. And you can see we are using this joystick is used to set the coordinate, so it's very easy for accessing the coordinates using the joystick. You can see left one is the XY joystick and right one is the Z axis joystick. This one is very useful feature while setting the coordinates, and you can see all the coordinates, it's visible here, like what is the current coordinate. And you can also use this LCD for setting the coordinates, this XYZ, and this one you can also set the speed, pitch, everything, all the settings is here.